Good morning, students. Let us start our class. Welcome to mathematics class. Our lesson for today, application of percentage, in which we are going to learn about more about the simple interest. Yesterday we have learned the simple interest. Learning outcomes. After watching this video, students, you people are able to recall simple interest, memorize the concept of simple interest, remember the formulas of the simple interest and amount, interpret the simple interest, calculate the real life problems of the simple interest. In yesterday's video, you have learnt about the formula P simple interest is equal to P into R into T by 100 and amount is equal to A plus simple interest. Using these two formulas, now we are going to find rate of interest, time period, even the sum of money, that is principal, in some problems. Let us solve worksheet 5 together.
Let us start sum number 6. At what rate percent would you have to find? Rate percent per annum will the sum of money double itself in 8 years, and the time period is 8 years. They are asking that you have to find rate of interest for what the sum of money will become a double itself in 8 years. So, let sum of money. What is the sum of money? That is principal. We have done in the previous sums also. Be P. Now they are saying money will double itself. When money get the double itself, what we are getting? We are getting a amount. So they have given you amount is equal to 2P. Time period is equal to 8 years. And you have to find the rate of interest. How can you find? You are having principal, you are having amount, you are having a time period. From principal and amount, what we can find? Yes, very easy, very good. We can find simple interest. Simple interest is equal to amount minus principal. How? Because you know amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. When principal, we are going to transpose the positions. To find the simple interest, we are going to subtract principal from the amount. So what is amount? 2P. Principal P. What we are getting? P. So simple interest is P. You know the formula for the simple interest? We know simple interest P into R into T by 100. Now what we have calculated? Simple interest as P, principal as P, rate of interest we have to find, and the time period is 8 years upon 100. Now whatsoever we have to find, we keep that thing on the left hand side and other things on the right hand side. So we are going to transpose. Rate is equal to principal into 100. Why so? Because here it is in denominator and here it goes in numerator. R we have to find. The things in numerator, they come in the denominators. P and P cancel. On the table of 4. 4 2s are 8. On the table of 4. 4 2s are 8. Remainder 2. 4 5s are 20. That is 25 by 2% per annum. Or you can say 12:1 by 2% per annum. Hence, rate of interest is 12.5% per annum. Let us start sum number 7. Rahul borrow 50,000 rupees. So what is the 50,000 here? That is the principal from a bank from on 1st March 2014 and paid rupees 53,150 on 6 October 2014. Find the rate of interest charged by the bank. Here 50,000 he borrowed, mean this is the principal, and he paid back 53,150, that means this is a amount. Let us try to solve it. Now what is given to you? Principal. Principal is equal to rupees 50,000. Amount is rupees 53,150. Another thing is given to you, time period. Now here the time period is given in form of dates. From 1st March 2014 to 6 October 2014. Now, how can we calculate the number of years? Let us calculate the number of days first. We know the number of days in the month of March, 31. From 1st March to 31st March plus April, 30, May, 31 plus June, 30, July, 31, August, 31, September, 30 plus October. Now on October he paid on the date 6 October. For October we are going to consider only 5 days. Why so? Because on 6th he cleared the account. So for the 6th he is not having any charge. 1st October, 2nd October, 3rd October, 4th October, 5th October. Till 5th October he has to pay the interest. Now when we just add up all these days, so we were having 219 days. Now we are going to convert these days into years, dividing by 365 years. We were having a time period, we were having a principal, we are having an amount. From principal and amount we can easily calculate the simple interest. Amount minus principal, rupees 53,150 minus rupees 50,000. So what is the principal, interest? 3,150. So this is a simple interest which he has paid extra to the bank over rupees 50,000, the interest paid. Now we are going to calculate rate of interest which they are going to ask from us. We know the formula for the simple interest. We know easily, simple interest is equal to P into R into T by 100. Simple interest we have 3,150. Principal rupees 50,000. Rate of interest we have to find. Time period 219 by 365 upon 100. So whilst after simplification what we were having, 3,150 multiply by 100 multiply by 365 upon 50,000 multiply 219. These two zeros are cancelled. 1 0 of this and this is cancelled. On the table of 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 zeros are 0. Here again on the table of 5, 5 sevens are 35, 1 remainder, 5 threes are 15. Now 73 ones are 73, 73 multiplied by 3, 319. Here you are also going to cancel. Another term on the table of 5, 6, 33, okay, 31, 63. Here you are getting 2. On the table of 3 ones are 3, 2, 1. So rate of interest, what you are getting a rate of interest? Rate of interest is 21/2. Rate of interest, what you are left with? 21/2%, or what you can say 10.5% in decimals. So hence rate of interest charged by bank is 10.5%. Is this clear? Let's see sum number 8. In what time period will the sum of money double itself at 15% per annum? This sum is same as the sum number 6 we have done. In sixth sum, the difference is only in sixth sum, you have to find the rate of interest. Time is given to you. In this sum, you have to find time period. Rate of interest is given to you. Sum of money double itself. Same way, you let the principal P amount to P and calculate the simple interest from that. And after that, you can easily calculate the time period. Try this sum yourself. Let us start sum number 9. In what time will the simple interest on rupees 400 at 10% be same as the simple interest on rupees 1000 for 4 years at 4%? Here are two different cases given, in which one they are given only principal and rate of interest. Time we have to find. In other case, they are saying they have given principal, time period as well as the rate of interest. These are asking ki at what time that both interest are same. Let us solve the sum. Case 1, in which the principal is rupees 400, rate of interest is 10% per annum, and time period let time period be T years. Because we have to find, we know the simple interest P into R into T by 100. What is the principal? Rupees 400. Rate of interest 10. Time period we have to calculate upon 100. Zeros and zero cancel. 40T. Rupees 40T. Simple interest in case 1. In case 2, principal 1000, rate of interest 4% per annum, time period 4 years. Simple interest, same formula, P into R into T by 100. Principal 1000 multiplied by 4 upon 100. That is equal to rupees 4 4s are 16 and 1 0, 160. Now they are saying that at what time that both interest are same. In this sum, interest is equal to this one. So what we can do? Since both interest are same, means 40T is equal to 160. Time period is equal to 160 by 40. 0 and 0 cancel. 4 1s are 4. 4 4s are 16. Time period is equal to 4 years. Time period is your 4 years. Hence, after 4 years, interest will be same. Let us solve sum number 10. Mr. Jane denote rupees 1 lakh to a school, and the interest on it is to be used for awarding 5 scholarships of equal value. If if the value of each scholarship is 1500, find the rate of interest. Now here in this sum, you people have given the principal, the amount which he has denoted to the school, that is rupees 1 lakh, or in numbers you can write rupees 1,000,000, 1 lakh. Now he has given the 5 scholarship. The interest on 1 lakh the bank has given to the school, that interest is used to give the scholarship to 5 students, and each student is getting a scholarship of 1500. So simple interest is equal to 5 into rupees 1500, rupees 7500. Why so? Because one scholarship 1500 and they have given the 5 scholarship, and this all is from the interest. So interest is equal to 7500. Now you people think of a time period. Because time period for a scholarship is 1 year. Generally we take a scholarship for a 1 year, until or unless number of years are mentioned. Now after that, rate of interest that you have to find. So you know simple interest is equal to P into R into T by 100. Simple interest you have calculated 7500. Principal 1 lakh. Multiply rate of interest which you have to calculate, time period 1 upon 100. So what you can calculate? Rate of interest 7500 multiply by 100 upon 1 lakh into 1. You just cancel the zeros. You were getting 7.5%. Hence, the rate of interest is 7.5%.